This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Layla Ezedin. Welcome to luxury living at the Florencia in the heart of the colony at Pelican Landing. This home offers a maintenance-free lifestyle with plenty of time to enjoy all of the spectacular amenities such as a 34-acre private beach, golf, tennis/pickleball, fitness center, and a beautiful bay club that provides a complimentary continental breakfast. This stunning building has a private elevator that will take you directly to your condo. The property features 3 spacious bedrooms plus 3 full bathrooms and a den. It also offers magnificent views of both sunset and sunrise. Florencia has a beautiful pool and jacuzzi spa, and a great fitness center, also a state-of-the-art social room, a cinema, and wonderful residents and friendly staff. For more information, review the details below.